Nora, do you think I'm crazy? Do you think I'm crazy for watching videos of myself from 3 days ago? Editing videos, like always. There's a close-up of the eye, huh? Hotel room was good. Here, I gotta watch this video and make sure I didn't double clip anything. Was watching all the motorcycles go by, driving merrily down the wrong road in the wrong direction, and now I get to sit in traffic with all these good folks. Going to soccer games and I don't know what else, but yeah, I'll put the camera down and drive now. So I guess the story with all the bikes is it's in remembrance of they ride from Columbine to Bailey, Colorado and back, and I guess it's in remembrance of the school shootings. There was one in Columbine and I guess there was one in Bailey. So all these guys come out and give their support. Nice bouncy ride, huh? Hey, watch out, Nora. Come here. Thank you. Well, that was fun. Nora went ahead and added some new touches right there to the painting. Kind of gave it a windy feel. So now it kind of looks like the bushes are blown away. I don't mind it. The sun's gone down and it's cold. So I'm gonna climb into this mess and sleep in a little bit. Back in the woods and liking it. Right. I think that cooking and eating great food up in the outdoors was definitely my favorite hobby. Wouldn't mind sharing it with someone, but I don't mind doing my own.